Karla, it's wonderful to have you on Floor Talk. Thanks for joining me today.
All right, thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure. So now, Karla, I want to start off by talking about the company. Tell me about Reliance.
Yeah, so Reliance is an 85-year-old company. We're a metal service center company. So we're made up of over 300 different locations, primarily in North America. So we buy metal, resell it, process it. In 2023, we were $15 billion in revenue, and our average order size is $3,200 an order. So that's a significant number of transactions. 40% of our orders, the customer calls us today, we deliver it to them tomorrow. So very quick turnaround, and we do value-added processing on about 50% of the orders we ship.
Now, Karla, you've been with the company for over 30 years. How have you seen the company evolve?
Some of the biggest evolutions over that time would be that we've purposely grown the company in a diversified manner. So diversity of our products, diversity of our processing services. And another big trend we've had is moving more from just distributing metal to doing value-added processing for the metal. And that's required us to have more technical people and processes and really kind of, grow and professionalize over that time.
What prompted the rebranding to Reliance Inc. earlier this year? And how does it reflect the company's future direction?
So our name for many, many years was Reliance Steel and Aluminum Company, and we rebranded to Reliance Inc. And really it was saying that we're more than metal, right? We do more than just ship metal to people. We're doing all the value add processing, we're doing logistics, we're doing supply chain management. We're a more diverse, more problem-solving type of company for our customers, but also for our investor base. We also want to be viewed more as a broader industrial company rather than specifically tied to the metal space, so that we can see more investors, get more interest in the company, and hopefully get a better multiple as well.
And Karla, what would you say has driven Reliance's resilience over the past 3 decades?
Yes, I think it really is our operating model, which, as I talked about a few minutes ago with that diversification, we sell over 100,000 different products to over 125,000 different customers. And, that's important to us to have diversification of products and end markets, because at the end of the day, we sell a commodity product and we can't control the pricing volatility of the various metals that we sell. And we also sell into cyclical end markets. So having that diversification, a lot of times pricing may be moving up for one product that we sell, down for another, same with end markets. And so it really allows us to take some of the volatility out of our earnings and provide more consistent earnings.
And finally, Karla, with 76 acquisitions since your 1994 IPO, how do organic growth and M&A fit into your overall growth strategy? And tell me, what's next for Reliance?
Well, both growth is important to us. We've grown the company significantly. When I joined, when we did our IPO 30 years ago, we were about $450 million in sales. Now we're up to $15 billion. The 76 acquisitions has been a big part of that story. And early on, after our IPO, we were probably more focused on acquisitions, and there were more opportunities. It moved the needle more when we did an acquisition. Now with our size, it doesn't move the needle as much, but we still like to buy good companies that are out there. There are plenty more companies for us to continue to acquire, so we expect to continue to be active in that. And also organically, and we've probably stepped it up more on the organic growth front recently. A lot of that from adding newer, more advanced processing equipment that I mentioned earlier, and also going greenfield. We have great management teams in place throughout our company, so we like to invest in them and let them continue to grow as well. And as far as what's next for Reliance, the 85-year history for Reliance, in my opinion, they've been very successful. And so we want to keep doing what we've been doing, but just continue to look for opportunities to improve and grow as we move forward.
Well, Karla, it's been fantastic to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you.